Hi guys, welcome back. Let's make hide and reveal animation in Microsoft PowerPoint, a slideshow editing program. So you can also do animations for one of your slides, actually, in a presentation. So in this case, we're going to animate a bar so that it hides a text and then it will reveal a text, another text, that's to say. So create a text, click on the text box icon, and then afterwards you click on the workspace, and then let's say if you want to make the word old disappear and then make the word new to appear or to be revealed. So, make it bold, and then let's say if we change the size to 200, just like this is enough. And then we copy and paste this, and then we, change the text to new. Just like so. And then if we place it to the center, it will look like this. And then we're going to make the bar, click on the rectangle icon, and then, simply, create the rectangle so that it, it's enough to cover, the text, both of the texts. And then, let's say if we make it orange and then make the outlines disappear, just like this. And then, we're going to, drag the word new first so that, we can actually do the animation for the bar. To do this, click on the bar, click on animations, and then make it appear. Click on split, change the effect options to vertical out so that it appears from the center of the bar. Click on animation pane so that we know how the animation timeline is. And then afterwards you want to move it downwards. So click on add animation and then click on lines. And then drag this one while holding the shift key so that it lies around here. And then right click on start after previous, right click on start after previous so that when you play the presentation, the animation will automatically be executed. So afterwards you make it disappear by clicking on add animation and then click on disappear. Right click and then click on start after previous. And then copy the rectangle. Make sure that the position is the same. And then remove this as well. And then click on add animation and then make it appear. Drag it to the top, and then right click and then click on start after previous, and then you reverse the animation. Click on effect options and then click on reverse path direction, just like this. If we play it, if we play all, let's make the bar disappear by clicking on add animation, and then for the exit click on split. And then right click start after previous. And then if we play it, done. We've animated the bar. Let's make this text disappear, shall we? But first click on the first text and then click on add animation and then click on disappear. Put it on top of the effect when the first rectangle disappears, and then right click and then afterwards click on start after previous, that's to say. And then if we play them all, the first text disappears. And then let's make the new text appear. Drag it to the center of the center of the workspace, and then click on add animation and then make it appear. But right click and then click on start after previous, and then drag it on top, drag it to the top of the rectangle layer. And then when we play all, pretty easy. So let's make the white area that will act as the masking. So we have to color the masking area with the same color as the background, so it's white. So click on insert and then click on shapes and then click on the rectangle tool. Make it like this, enough to cover everything. And then make the outlines disappear. Make the color white, just like this. Hold on, and then all you have to do is to put it here. And then afterwards, you simply go to animations, and then afterwards click on add animation, and then you know, click on lines, just like this. Put it here, and then make sure that it starts a half of a second after this, and then right click, start after previous. Sorry, my bad. Now start with previous. That will do. Play all. Okay, that's we have to adjust the position. So hold on. We have to bring this one downwards, and then if we play it again, alright, we have to bring it downwards again. Alright, let's play everything. Alright, all done now, but we have to you know, bring this orange bar to the front, bring to front. And then if we play them all, cool. But still right click, bring to front, bring forward. Okay, all good now. But hold on. Bring to front. We're going to put the white rectangle to the back, send to back, and then if we play it all. No. Okay. Hold on. Send backwards. Okay, all good. Now we're going to, you know, animate the white rectangle, so that, you know, it reveals the word new. Copy and paste this, and then put it here, and then hold on, and then afterwards you simply wait a minute, let's play it all. Okay, we have to put it here, and then afterwards right click, right click, start with previous, and then go to effect options, and then click on reverse path direction, just like this, and then we play them all. Alright, okay, wait a minute. Oh, we make this one disappear. Add animation, and then click on disappear, and then put it here. Right click, start after previous, and then if we play them all, whoosh, whoosh, you're done. But make sure that you put the orange bar to the front. Right click, bring to front, and then when we hit F5, all done now. You've created this text reveal. The text is hidden, and then another text is revealed, just like this. That's how you can create this hide and reveal text animation in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao!